today's host area. First, it's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce Perfect Laser for you. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20-year history in this field. And all our machines have got CE, ISO, and RoHS certificate, and is certified by the well-known international inspection institutions such as TUV and SGS. And we have got 63 national patents. The core technique achievement can reach the international advanced level. As a result, our product has been exported to more than 180 countries, including Germany, Japan, Italy, Russia, Korea, Turkey, Brazil, the United States, the UAE, and many other countries. And we got a great reputation from our customers all over the world, and we are so proud of it. And what's more, we have a talent team. 90% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree. We can provide you 2 hours quickly response worldwide, and also we can provide you 24 hours after sales services, especially for you. And our goal is simple. We want to sell the high volume product at the best price and providing you the industry leading customer services. And today we will introduce how to use our 3D crystal laser engraving machine to engrave 2D or 3D exquisite pattern and the human portrait image instead of the glass and the crystal. And we also will show you the most hot-selling models for you to choose. And in order to thanks for your watching, we'll prepare lots of coupons and gifts for you to enjoy. And as you can see here, we got these coupons that you can enjoy. First, place an order over $1,000, you will get a coupon of $20. And place an order over $2,000, you will get a coupon of $30. And place an order over $3,000, you will get a coupon of $15. It's so exciting, right? And here we have a more even big discount. If you place an order over $7,000, guess what? You will get a coupon that's worth $100. So I really hope you can catch this chance. It's really big discount. And what's more, our company also prepare lots of exquisite gifts and a very attractive promotion policy, especially for you. And I will introduce them to you later, so please keep watching. And if you like us, please follow us by clicking the following button here. To subscribe our channel so you can find us easily next time, and please give us a like in our live show homepage. That means a lot to us, and thank you so much for your support. And if you want to know more information about our product, you can find the product list here. And also you can click the more here to find more types of our machine. So now I will invite our sales manager, Miss Lee. She's very professional in this field, and today she will introduce the 3D crystal laser engraving machine especially for you. And let's give a round of applause to welcome her. Hey, Miss Lee, you're also so pretty today, right?
So are you.
So the stage is yours now.
Thank you. I'll take the stage. Thanks. Hi everyone, I'm Lee, and today I will show you guys the perfect 3D crystal laser engraving machine behind me. So this is 3D crystal laser engraving machine. So it can engrave 2D or 3D stereoscopic pattern in like crystal or acrylic materials like transparent materials, and it is suitable for many fields like tourism or shopping mall or urban scenic spots in many places. Well, let's get to the more details of this one. So I'll show you guys. Thank you. So right here, it is the details of this 3D crystal laser engraving machine. So 2D or 3D in three-dimensional patterns engraving in crystal, glass, and acrylic transparent materials. It can be carved 2D or 3D, portrait, name, footprints, trophies, and other personalized gifts, souvenirs, but also mass production of 2D or 3D animals, plants, buildings, vehicles, ships, aircraft, and other models of products and 3D scene display. It is widely recommended for use in urban scenic spots, photo printing, shop, or wedding photography, tourism, souvenirs, and personalized gift shops. It can be also used in places of other consumer sites and some temporary activities like wedding. It's suitable for tourism, hotels, galleries, photo studio, advertising, and other consumer and industry activities. And the applied material, so it is suitable for crystal and glass, acrylic, decoration materials, and transparent materials, etc. So this is the industry and materials that our machine is suitable for. Well, I will show you guys lots of samples. Thank you. Lots of samples that are made by our 3D laser engraving machine. So we have lots of like metal. We engrave metals and flowers and lots of like portrait. I'll show you guys different size of samples. So come with me. So right here you can see this is all done with our 3D crystal laser engraving machine, as you can see here. So we have, I'll show you guys first with our 2D dimensional pattern. So right here, I got the our metals right here, as you can see. Right here, we have, so you can see we engraved the numbers and all those different patterns inside. This is the metals. And move on to the next. We have another metals as well, which is 2D dimensional. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's all done by our 3D crystal laser engraving machine. It's right here. Okay. And the last one is also metal right here. As you can see, the words is very clear and exquisite, yeah? Okay, so next I'll show you a 2D portrait, human portrait, in our square crystal. Just hang on a second. I'll show you this guy. The little square one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's Kobe inside, and it's a 2D. It's very vivid. I'll show you guys different sides. So this is the front side. This is the left side. Front side again, and the right side. As you can see, the 2D dimensional human portrait on the left side is like a thing, like a piece of paper. So this is our 2D dimensional human portrait, and I'll show you another same patterns, same one. It's also 2D, and this one is one of her colleagues. It's 2D dimensional human portrait as well. So this is the front side, and the left side is thing like a piece of paper as well. It's 2D. So and front side again. And this side, the right side. So, then I'll show you guys 3D human portrait, and you can see the obvious differences between 2D and 3D. So I'll show you guys first with 3D dimensional human portrait. As you can see, it's very vivid, right?
So different from 2D, right?
Yeah, it is. I'll show you guys the differences later. So you can see the 3D on the left side, front side. This is a 3D, and the right side. Yep, we can.
It's so vivid.
Yeah,
human
it is.
portrait.
It is. So I'll look at those two. This is 2D
Yeah.
dimensional human portrait, and this is the 3D. As you can see, the obvious differences between those two.
Yeah. Especially in the profile side, right?
Yeah. The profile is like a piece of paper, right?
Yeah.
But this one you can obviously see the
The human. Yeah.
It's gorgeous, huh?
Totally.
Yep. That's the differences between the 2D and 3D. Human portrait is done by our engraving machine.
Yeah. So our machine can not only print the 2D but also the 3D.
Yeah, 2D and 3D. Alright, so I'll show you next with our Christmas thing. It's a Christmas tree right here and a Christmas house and Santa. It's very cute. It's 3D also. I'll show you guys the sides of the crystal as well. So as you can see right here, it's 3D. The sides, the front, and the other side as well. Yeah. Then I'll show you guys. This one's my favorite one. I'll take it from. This one we have a horse. It's like the horse is running on a field, right? The horse is really pretty, and it is our 3D dimensional pattern as well. So this is the front side. It is really beautiful, and this is the left side. At the back, I don't know if you guys can see it. We have little patterns that the grass and flowers on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe my hands is covering it. But thank you. So as you can see, the grasses like on the bottom. It looks like the horse is running through the grasses. It's really pretty. And we also have this moon right here, right? It's beautiful.
Yeah, even the small direct details we even can print so clear.
This one's my favorite one. Okay, thank you. Back. Then we have this one is our beautiful yellow crane tower. As you can see, this one is very gorgeous. As you can see from different side, it looks exactly the same. So that's the front side. Then move on to the right. It's very beautiful, huh? So I'll show you guys later with our spherical, like round balls, crystal balls right here. Is Earth. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see every like continents, every states. This is Australia, and then move to the Asian, China, Russia. This one is really beautiful.
Yeah, totally. We even have a special holder with the light, so you can just put the sphere on it, and it's so gorgeous as a souvenir or gifts for someone you
Yeah.
like. As you can see, with different light, you even can put it in your bedroom when you sleep, right?
Looks good. We also have this same crystal ball right here, but different pattern. It's
Lucky grows.
it's
right?
lucky grass. Yeah,
Yes.
it's really pretty. It's right here. All right, this is the large crystal material. Right here we have our keychain. As you can see, this is it has like baby picture inside it. It's really cute. Like you can make a customized gifts for a family. It's really cute.
Yeah. We even also got the light keychain.
Yeah.
And it's suitable for when you put on your purse or something else.
Yeah. It looks
And
good.
You can put you can just engrave the people of your family in this kind of keychain, right?
Yeah, it's really suitable for gifts.
Totally.
And we have an other pattern. This is the Eiffel Tower. It's really cute. It's like mini Eiffel Tower.
So the even this tower is a 3D, right? 3D.
Yeah, it's 3D one. It really looks really good. Like when you're
Yeah.
actually holding it, you can see the patterns. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but it looks really beautiful on my hand. And this
one
is a
too.
deer. This is a really cute deer. It's a it's
Three-dimension.
this mini Eiffel Tower is really cute. Yep. Well, this is our keychain with different patterns inside. This one's my favorite one. It has a little Eiffel Tower. It's really cute. So you can basically like make different design patterns.
Yeah, just special design for yourself.
And we also, the last one right here is a giant square crystal. It's a little bit heavy, so may need a little bit help. So it's our
It's
rock
a
star.
2D, right?
Yeah, it's 2D. It's our like rock star.
The print is so vivid.
Yeah. So this is the front side. I'll show you this. This you can see it 2D, right? It looks
So you
really
just
good.
can engrave the picture of your family and put
Yeah.
on your living room or something.
Or hanging on the wall.
It's really, really suitable to create a wonderful memory.
Yeah, it means for everything. Like it's meaningful. This gifts, these little gifts. All right. So this is our samples that are made by our engraving machine right here. As I show you guys the trophies or the human portrait, different patterns, and we can also make a little keychain here. And I'll show you guys the more details of our 3D laser engraving machine, and I'll show you guys how can it make such perfect products. So move on with me. Right here you can see we got the monitor here and our industrial computer. So those two comes with the whole machine. And we also have different software like 2D to 3D software or 3D processing software. This software we have already installed for you before you get the machine. So this too comes with our engraving machine, also with the keyboard. So this whole machine adopts the air cooling system, so make sure the speed, the engraving speed is very high and fast. We also have the little exhaust fan on both sides of the machine, and right here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. So both sides we have exhaust fan, and at the front, it's very obvious. We have like a main switch right here, so the red one control the moving platform, and this green light control the laser. And this, as you can see, we have black, transparent, three-color panel. This panel, it has like film pasting on the surface. So this is all imported from the United States. So while during the whole processing, you can watch through your eyes through the panel, so you don't cause any damage to your eyes. You can protect your eyes, this one. So we have our laser core components inside here, and focus lens is also inside here, and it's all imported from Germany. And I'll show you guys what's inside. So this is the panel. When I open it, as you can see, it's our working area. We have the working area here, so it's like 320 millimeters by 400 millimeters. And this right here, where you put your crystal in here, so you have to put on the left corner of this platform. I'll show you guys later. As you can see here, we have our Taiwan Highway linear guide rail right here, this one. And we also have ball screw driving transmission. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this part it can guarantee during the whole operation it can run very smoothly. And we have the limit switch. The green one is our limit switch. And yeah, this is our whole machine looks like, and it's integrated cabinet design, as you can see. We also have the chain right here, so it makes sure all the cables are together and doesn't make a mess. So make sure the working area is clear and it's very easy and simple to operate. So this is our machine, the whole look. And at the back, we have different cables and the lines to help connect the computer with the machine and connect the machine to the electricity at the back. So yeah, this is what the machine looks like. And well, I will introduce our perfect professional engineer, Mr. Wu, to show you guys later how this machine looks and how this machine works on our crystal. I'll show you guys in the live stream right now. So let's welcome Mr. Wu. So he's gonna show you guys how this machine works, and we're gonna engrave some beautiful patterns on the crystal for you guys. So let's see. So right now he's I'll turn the computer to this side so you can see. So right now he's trying to open our laser control software. Don't worry, this software we can set different language for you. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, the software. Then we open the file. We select the picture. We're gonna engrave this pattern right here in the crystal. So as you can see, this is the whole content right here, the content and line. And we're gonna take crystal and put it in the laser engraving machine to show you guys how does it work and how long does it take to engrave this pattern right here. And this software is very easy to operate. We have our videos to show you guys how to use it. And well, I'll take the crystal right here. So we use the paper to cover it and wrap it, just to make sure it doesn't have like handprints or whatever on the surface. So it's brand new, crystal. It's a new one. It doesn't have any like engravings or anything. So we're gonna make a trophy right here. Then we're gonna engrave these patterns inside this crystal. So he's gonna open it and put it in the working area. Remember, this is our working area, and you have to like put it on the left corner of this working area to make sure this, because this will focus automatically, and this working flapper can move like forward, backward, or on the right or on the left. So make sure it's in the right places. And when you put it in a simple place, then close the door. Then all you need to do, so it's all good. So all you need to do is set up some, like the size of it. And then it's good to go. All you need is to press the start button, then you can make a trophy right here. So, shall we? Yeah. Then start to work. You can hear there's like no noises at all. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes to make a trophy. And you can even look through the panel during the processing. You can observe the working status. Like right now, because this panel is can prevent the damage from the laser to your eye, so you can see here. It takes approximately 1 to 2 minutes to make a trophy. And we'll just wait and see the outcome. So when you start to engrave something in a crystal, to make sure you set the parameters right on the software, and make sure the machine is connected to electricity. And most importantly, you have to put a crystal in the right position, right on the left corner. So it's almost done. And this was fast. And he's gonna take out the trophy. Wow. You can see the letters and the words are so clear. It's a 2D, huh? It's a 2D dimensional patterns. Maybe move forward to the camera. It is beautiful. Like, it only takes 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, we have our company name and the numbers and date. It looks beautiful. Thank you. So the working efficiency is very, very high. So as you guys can see, for this trophy, it takes like, for the patterns right here, it takes like 1 to 2 minutes. So this machine can reach up to 5,000 dots per second. So it has very high efficiency. All right. So this is the whole process of our 3D crystal laser engraving machine. That's how it works. Thank you. This we're going to use it later. We're going to use it later for another. Well, this is our like round crystal, as you can see. And it's a brand new one. We're going to make a different one on here. So this is what crystal original looks like, and we're going to work on it. Alright, so we have our little tool here. We're going to use the rules to measure the size of it. So it's approximately 6.5 centimeters, the diameter. So we're going to set the size over here. So make sure So we're going to set to the right parameters right here. And it's approximately 1 centimeters of the length of this one. This rules, it comes with our machine. So we're going to put it aside. After we set up the parameters, we're going to make the same patterns on a different material, different size of crystal. See how it works. So he's going to select a different pattern. So this is what it's gonna look like in a crystal. So we're gonna engrave this one. So we have the patterns right here, numbers or name. It's another trophy. So yeah. So when all the parameters right, we only need to press the start, and then everything can go. Yeah, you can press the start right now. Yep, so the machine starts to work. And it only takes like 1 or 2 minutes approximately as well, and it's very fast, as I said. So this whole machine, because we use an air cooling system, so let's say if you work this machine for like 8 hours a day, it can last like, you can use it till like 5 to 6 years of this one. So this machine is working, is engraving these patterns and numbers on different size of crystal. I'll show you guys later. So during the whole operation, you can barely hear anything. Like, it's very quiet. It doesn't cause any sound or noises. No, not at all. It's very easy to operate, but you have to make sure you set the parameters right on our software. As you can see, during the process of the working, this is 2 lines to make sure it's on. And you can observe the whole process and just, you can see how you make dots inside a crystal. The efficiency is very, very high, as you can see. The trophy that we made, it only takes like 1 minute. And this one, well, this one is done already. It's like less than minutes, I think. Yeah, I think it's done. So we're gonna take it out. And wow, this one looks so good. As you can see here, the patterns on the computer we engrave inside this crystal. It's very beautiful, huh?
Totally. It's a 2D image.
It's a 2D, yeah. It's a 2D dimensional pattern. Yeah, it is. Looks so
nice.
Good. You can show the side and back. Yeah. Okay, so this is the front, right? And the side. It looks so good. And the back. I try not to leave my footprints on this one.
Yeah, it's just newly printed.
Yeah, it's a brand new one. I don't know. This is a back of this trophy. Looks good, huh? As you guys can see, it only takes like 1 minute for those 2 trophies. Yeah.
And no sound at all. So quick.
Yeah, it's
so
quick and quiet. I'll show you guys the front
So,
side.
not even the school or the company or the corporation all needs this kind of machine to make the medals for their workers or the students, right?
So as you can see, we have like a wheeler, like rolling with come with the machine, so you can move anywhere you want. Like like you said, you can use like if you work in school, if you have any competition, you want to make your trophy, you can use this one. It's very easy to operate. And I'll show you guys another trophy that we made.
Yeah,
just this one.
Before we made this trophy and we use this kind of
Star Alice
holders, we can use the trophy. And can stick with the special holders that you can present to or send to your workers or the grade student, a student at the class. So you can just print such a crystal and engraving that the
Patterns?
petals and use this kind of special holder. So pretty. Also a
It
blue
is.
crystal, right?
Yeah. But most importantly is the pattern right here.
Yeah.
It looks good.
So that's how the process of a trophy is made
Yeah.
by our machine.
Well, it looks like our colleague have made and voila, at this one we have a
Totally cool. This is
It
like
looks really good,
piece.
huh? Well, I want to put it on. It looks really
You can
cute.
try it. Totally gorgeous and exquisite.
So it's very simple.
Yeah. So it's really a good machine to start your own business.
Well, can I wear it?
Yeah.
I want to
try
put it on.
Looks
really
nice.
good.
Totally suits you. Number one.
All right. So this is the yeah. I just wear it all the time. So this is because I like this one. So this is our 3D laser crystal machine that's handmade like within just 1 minute. So like you can see how quick,
Yeah.
fast
Fast
speed.
speed and clear
The
letters
high
on it.
efficiency.
Yeah.
Looks really
So
good.
great.
Well, I'm gonna wear it. So yeah, you guys see the whole processing of how does this crystal laser engraving machine works. Well, I'll show you guys like why you choose our Perfect Laser brand and what makes it so special. So this one is our 3D crystal laser engraver. It has very, very high speed. So it only takes like 1 to 2 minutes for engraving a 50 by 50 by 80 millimeters size crystal. It's suitable to tourist resorts. As you guys can see, we only take like 1 minute to make a trophy right here. And the efficiency is very high. So the quality is very good as well. Good engraved quality, high resolution. The pattern of engraving is exquisite. It's very subtle and looks really good. It's crystal clear in strong three-dimensional sense. So as you can see, we also use the imported air cooling system. Make sure the machine is stable and it's very easy to maintain it. It's non-touches engraving process to make sure that the surface of the crystalline lens keeps its original shape and quality. It has very small volume. You can barely hear the sound. It's basically very, very quiet. It's less than 1 cubic meter. It's suitable in shopping mall. It's free of maintenance, and it is diode laser. It's different from the old yet xenon lamp 3D inner laser engraver. So this is new technology, diode laser. It doesn't need to change the xenon lamps after lamps used out. So it's basically free of maintenance. It can take the 3D picture on the human body with a 3D camera. It can engrave real person to form a 3D image. So let's say if you work in a tourism spots or any like scenic urban spots, if you like when customer come in and he wants to take a selfie of himself with a beautiful scene, and you can use our 3D camera. I'll show you guys later the details. You can use our 3D camera and take a picture like right now, and it can works with our software connected to our monitor, and you can print out, it can engrave 3D dimensional human portrait like immediately. So this whole machine, it has 2 years guarantee. So but only in our live stream we guarantee 2 years warranty time. And this is the pros of our machine. So next, I'm gonna ask our professional engineer, Mr. Wu, again to show you guys. We're gonna make on a different crystal, And let's work on this to full. So he's holding a holder, which you can put the crystal ball on the top of it, so you can like twist it. This is where I'll show you guys. Very cool. This is our holder. Yeah, you can like put the crystal ball on the top of it. And right now, and wow, it can use this like and twisty to make sure that to make sure it doesn't move like up and around. It doesn't like you can twist it like using hand to show you patterns like very clearly. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like this is really fun too. Like you can just like twist it so you can see different patterns right here. And yeah. Well, you might have my like handprints on the side. Can I have some? I'm gonna like wipe it down so we can make another, engrave another different patterns inside. So make sure it doesn't affect the outcome. Thank you. So what I'm gonna make next, it's our, we're gonna engrave different patterns and inside the crystal ball. Most importantly, before the whole process, you have to make sure the crystal doesn't leave any marks on like footprints, on like footprints, handprints or whatever, to make sure the surface is clear. So he's gonna open another file. So we're going to take so before the whole operation, you have to make sure you the pattern's right, the parameters right. You have to use our software to adjust it. So now we're going to select a different pattern to engrave. So in today's live stream, we have all different kinds of patterns, and it's gonna be fun. And check this out, it's a rose. It's very beautiful rose right here. And we're gonna engrave this rose inside the, so he's gonna take the ruler and measure the diameter of this ball. So it's approximately, you guys cannot see it, so it's approximately like 10 centimeters of the diameter of this ball. And when he measured the size, he changed the, he set different parameters right here. So this is very important. You have to make sure the size and the calculation is right. You have to make sure about that. So this work comes with our machine as well. Alright, so after all the parameters are done, make sure the data is right, we're gonna move on to the next. Oh, we have the rose right here, and we have bottom. I love you at bottom. It's really cute. So he's gonna put the holder with the crystal ball, and to make sure, the most important thing is put the crystal right in the left corner of this platform, because that's how the machine focuses automatically. So make sure it is in the right corner. When the position is right, close the door. And then we're going to engrave these cute patterns inside the crystal ball. So all you need to do is hit the start button as well. So yeah, here we go. And it starts to work. Later we're going to see a beautiful rose inside the crystal ball with boards. You guys can see the laser, right? Like you can get close to it and observe through the panel. You guys have a great laser, right? So it only takes like 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes as well. So during the whole processing, you have to make sure the data is right, the parameter is right. You have to like use the rules to measure the size, to make sure the size and the calculation is precise. And then you have to use our software. So this software, we have like a video, training video, and manual books to show you guys how to work on this software. It's very easy, very, very easy. Even for a beginner, it's very easy to operate. And also for this machine, we can do mass production as well. Let's say you can put like the same size of the crystal. You can do like 10 or 20, put on the platform, and you can do the mass production at the same time. You have to be the right size, same size of the same crystal as well. You guys can hear the exhaust fan is working during the whole processing. And it's almost done. So for this, it's very easy to like move around because you have little wheel rollers. Comes with the machine. Oh, so it's done. So let's see the results. And here we go. Wow. This looks really beautiful. Check this out. This looks fantastic. Can we have the black so you guys can see like more closely? It's like real rose. This one.
Well, we got a rose inside of the
This looks
crystal, right?
so good.
Totally.
Like you can see the leaves, like the little texture on the leaves as well. Right?
Yeah.
And feels like the rose is blossoming. It's
Yeah.
it's really vivid. It's beautiful.
Gorgeous rose, and you even can see in the
Yeah,
top.
front side, different other sides.
Yeah, the top you can see is a whole rose.
It is
See?
really, really beautiful. Huh?
Totally. I love it, and we can use a light holder, the special holder with light to show
Yeah.
it, right?
It looks even good,
Yeah.
even better with the
And
light.
yeah, and when you at your bedroom, you put this kind of exquisite
Can I see?
things
Yes.
on it.
This one, the little light holder right here. So be careful. I don't want to drop it. So right here you can see.
You have the bright white.
Yeah, it looks
And
so
show-
good. So it shows different colors, different color lights.
in different sizes. And also it's a totally great gift to send to your friends,
So good.
send your parents, send your family, your client, and you even can print some special design letter or patterns, right?
Yeah, it looks gorgeous from this. You see how the light changed, shows different color. It looks really good on the rose.
Love it. I want to bring it to my
Well,
home.
this is my favorite now. You're not gonna steal it from me. I'm gonna take this to my home. You guys can see it. So I'm gonna take this little cute thing inside here. So as you guys can see, this is the I'm gonna close the door. This is the whole process of how this work is done. And I'm gonna put this holder right away so you guys can see guys the details about our 3D crystal laser engraver. So right here, the model, so the machine that to show you guys is our PEDP-A2. This one is A21. But if you have different like requirements, you need to work on a larger workpiece, let's say, you can use the A1 here, so because it has like larger area. So yeah, the model we have 3 different types: A1, A2, AC. This one right here is A2, and the laser we have a semiconductor laser right here, and the average life. So it can, as I said, you can work on more than 20,000 hours. So let's say if you like working this machine 8 hours a day, you can totally can last like 5 to 6 years. For the maximum frequency, it can reach up to 5,000 hertz. The maximum engraving area, as you can see for A2, we have 400 by 320 by 120 millimeters. But if you need to work on the larger working piece, you can choose this one, 450 by 450 by 160. Basically, it's a larger one, and this one is the smaller one. And we're going to the focal length. It's for A1, it's 165 millimeters, but for our A2 right here, it's either 100 or 120. So 100 is our standard focus length. And our focus length is imported from Germany. Of course, we have very high quality. And for the accuracy, so it can reach up to 20 to 40 millimeters. For the speed, it can reach up to 0.3 million points per minute. As you guys can see, it takes only like less than 1 minute to engrave a trophy or a rose in a crystal ball, as you guys can see earlier. So for the repeat upside, it's a 10 to 20 mil. And for the power, it's 120 V and 50 hertz. For the cooling, most importantly, we use the air cooling system to make sure it works, make sure the working efficiency is very high and the speed is very fast. That's our key point, you can see. For the 5 format, so we support many formats. For example, BMP, JPG, DXF, OBJ, or WRO, 3DS, or STL, LSS, or even LAX or CAD. So we support many different formats. For machine size, you can see for A2 right here, it's 800 by 900 by 980 millimeters. So you can see, compared to me, it's very it's suitable for even like shopping mall because we have little roller on the side to move it around. It's very easy to operate. And for the warranty, like I said, if you guys bought in our live stream today, we can guarantee. Normally we guarantee 1 year, but if you bought in live stream, we guarantee you guys 2 years warranty time. So we're prolonging for another year. So this is the details of our 3D crystal laser engraver, as you guys can see. And now we're gonna show you guys. We are gonna show you guys different crystal. We're gonna engrave different patterns inside. So we're gonna welcome our professional engineer, Mr. Wu again. So he's gonna show you guys a brand new crystal. This comes with our machine as well. So this is a square crystal. As you can see, it's a brand new one. Doesn't have any patterns. You guys can see right here. Yep. Then we're gonna. this might take a little bit longer because we're gonna engrave a card inside a square crystal. So right now, it's the same step. We're gonna choose the pattern. We're gonna engrave a card inside the square. As you can see, that's how the card looks like. For the top view and side view, and we're gonna change most importantly, change the parameters, the size, of course. So you have to like use the rule to measure the crystal that you're going to engrave in, the length, the width, and then we set the measurements right here. And then when the parameter is right, we're going to put this here, most importantly, inside a platform. So maybe you have to like rub the dust off to make sure it's clear. Put in the left corner of this platform. So when the position is right, close the door. And right now the parameter and data are all good to go. So right now you have to hit the start button. Yep. And now it's begin to work. So because it's a card, it has very like specific little subtle components. It might take a little bit longer to like process this one. So during the whole processing, I'll tell you guys more about our 3D camera, like I said before. So let's say if you work in scenic urban spots. So when a customer comes in and he want a photo of himself, like 3D dimensional photo, dimensional portrait of himself with the beautiful view. So you can just take a picture like right now, and then transfer from 2D to 3D. And without software, you can engrave a 3D dimensional human portrait. So right now it's our 3D camera. It can work perfectly with our laser engraver machine. So it is suitable for buyers' 3D service data measured by using the color structure light measurement principles, and can be extracted from the 3D service data within 0.5 seconds. This is the principle of how this 3D cameras work. It can be widely used in large scale measurement of 3D projects and 3D portrait, crystal engraving systems, and face shading. So like I said, you can just use the camera, take a shot of it, like for example for me. This system is more often equipped with a crystal laser engraving machine. So the machine A2 behind me, so this 3D camera works perfect with this one right here. As you can see at the bottom, we have the portrait engraving with the 3D camera. This is the samples from the picture, as you can see. But also I can show you guys like inside the crystal, like our samples also engraved by our machine. I'm sure because the picture, you can't really see the portrait inside it, right? So I'm going to take our Buddha right here. And this is the 3D dimensional portrait. You can see. I'm going to need this one. This is our Buddha. Go around. You can see very like subtle, deep, subtle parts of this. The nose, ears, it's very exquisite, yeah. So this is the front, side, and the back. So basically, this 3D camera, so how does it work? Like you can just, right now you just take a picture of me with the 3D camera, then connected, input my picture into the software, and you can engrave my picture inside the crystal just without 3D camera. So this is the Buddha, and I'll show you different. It's one of my colleagues that I showed you guys before. Is this one is 3D. So you can see. It's very suitable if you have wedding. You can engrave the image of you and your husband. The side of it is 3D dimensional patterns, and the back. And the front.
It's totally different from the 2D image one.
Yeah, like from 2D, you guys already see the comparison before that I could show you. So from the side, it looks basically the same at the front, but if you look from the side, the 2D is very thin, like
Yeah.
a paper, a piece of paper. But this, you can see the lines and the profile, the details. It looks basically, it looks like this person is staring at me
Yeah.
right into my eyes. And this is the 3D dimensional human portrait that you can work with this 3D camera and our engraving machine. And well, some of your guys asked me to introduce you guys more about the 3D, because some of you might be interested. So yeah, I'll just take a quick look at the our 3D camera. It normally works perfect with this machine. So this 3D camera, like I said before, by adding a 3D portrait camera, this 3D subsurface crystal laser engraving machine can take the 3D portraits on a human body. Like if I want to make my portrait right now, you can take the 3D camera and take a picture of me. And then through the PE laser inner engraving technology, this one to make dots inside the crystal, and then many dots, thousands of dots, to form a three-dimensional image. So basically, that's how it works, to make dots inside a crystal, and different dots, thousands of dots to form a pattern, form an image. This type of machine used to import the air cooling laser system. This machine right here, you see air cooling system, like I said before, and it also have the exhaust fan on both sides, and at the top. It not only greatly increased the speed of engraving, but also with small light points, carving out digital image of high profile, distinctive characteristics. Good stability and easy maintain. So as you can see, our machine right here is totally free of maintenance. And for the stability, it has very good stability and easy maintain. It's suitable for large shopping malls and the tourist resorts and place of big population like that to make the personalized portrait production. So let's say if you work in a tourist area, or you work at the place which need you to make a engrave 3D dimensional engraving, so you can use the 3D camera combined with our 3D crystal laser engraving machine to make a 3D dimensional human portrait. So for the 3D camera right here, the dimension is 200 millimeters by 160 millimeters by 165 millimeters. And for the weight, the 3D camera weighs like 3 kilos, and it's light. For me, it's very light, 3 kilos. For exposure time, it's 1/80 seconds, to 1/60 seconds. So for the 3D reconstruction accuracy can reach up to 0.2 millimeters. For the max shooting scope, it's spare obviously on the form you can see. And for the shooting distance, so its shooting distance is 1 meter to 1.5 meters. And 3D reconstruction angle is real. Imagine with 180-degree range in one direction. And the format, the 3D format is of course 3DS, DXF, OBJ, CAD, ASC, WRL, and 3DV, ETC. So 3D camera supports different formats right here. For the effective pixels, it's 800 watts, and for tower, it's lithium battery. So for the 3D camera, if you guys are interested in this 3D camera, you guys can take a good look on this form. So let's say it really depends on what kind of job you work. Let's say if you work in scenic urban spots, if the customer needs to make a 3D dimensional human portraits like right now, then the 3D camera works perfect for you. So yeah, this is the details of our 3D camera. Well, I don't have actual 3D cameras with me right now, but if you're interested, you can reach out to us or contact us to ask more details of our 3D camera if you are interested. And yeah, let me take this away. So as you guys can see, it takes a little bit longer to make a car inside the crystal. And during the whole processing, you can hear no sound, no noises. And while is the machine doing its work, let's take a close look at the equipped computer right here. So right here we have the USB kits. And also for the software, we have three different USB key. We call it key dot, plug behind the equipped computer. So this is very important. You guys don't want to lose it. So all the software, if you want to use the software, you have to plug in the key behind it. And this mouse comes with our machine, also the keyboard. This is our model number, and it's very easy to operate. And this also, if you want to live in different country, you can also buy a transformer to change the voltage, which is suitable for your country. This is the label right here, perfect laser, and oh, it looks like it's done already. So let's see the results. I can't wait to see the little cars inside the crystal. Wow, this looks amazing. You can see the car just displayed on the screen. It's right here. Thank you. As you can see the details of this one, the wheels, the door, and you can even see inside the seats, right?
Yeah.
You see from front profile, you see the seat in the car. So it's 2 seats.
Yeah.
It's like a race car, right?
Yeah.
It's like a race car.
And you can
It's
see
really cute.
it's different from the file. You can see it back. You
Yeah.
can see the seats back.
Can you see the side? Yeah, you can see the sides of it. You can see like from the side. Do you want me to hold it? So you can see the size of it. It's very exquisite, right? See the wheels, two-season side. It's really beautiful. And this is the side, and from the top, this is how it look.
Just like a real car.
Yeah, like a real car.
The crystal.
Like let's say if you had a son who really likes car, you can like give him this as a gift. It's a really good gift. It is meaningful. It's amazing to see how this works done.
Yeah, so you can maybe even use your own creative thinking to see the own design of yours.
You can see the dots in here is
Yeah.
like 1,000 dots to form this card. I'm gonna get it closer to the.
So your creative thinking on machine can help you to achieve that.
Yeah. So the key point, like the most importantly, you have to measure the size of the crystal or any transparent materials that you're working on. Make sure the size, like the length or width, and then you have to set the parameters on our software to make sure the data is right. Then, when everything is set up, so the machine is good to go. So the most importantly is the data.
Yeah.
And the software, as you can see, is very, very easy to operate, right? This is really beautiful. Wow. So yeah, this is how it takes like less than like a few minutes. It just take only like a few minutes to make this one. And yeah, this is our card engraving inside the square crystal. And I'll show you guys what comes with the machine. So besides this part, it equips computer, keyboard, mouse, and all the cables and the grills. We also have different other things. The components comes with our machine, and I'll show you guys right now. Yep. So for this machine, we have a grills, keyboard, mouse with computer. We also have a little, and I'll show you guys later. I'm going to show you what comes with the machine. So it has So I'll show you guys this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this right here, it's our crystal, square crystal. So it comes with the machine. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 sets of the crystal. And the computer and power cables is at the back of the machine. And the monitor, as you can see, keyboard and mouse, USB keys for software. This is very important. So we have 3 pieces of the USB kits for software. So once, if you're going to use it, you have to make sure that the keyboard is plugged in the computer, the monitor. For the signal cable, we have a right here. I'll show you guys. The cable is connected to the machine. Cable here, 1, 2, and the machine power cable is also connected to the computer here, and the cross wrench and hex wrench. We have little tools right here. machine to help you, like right here, and the glasses, protective glasses, to protect your eyes from the laser when you like operate the machine. And rule, as you can see, to make sure the data and the measurement is right. We have this one and a cleaning ball. So this one you can like squeeze the rubber ball to like blow the dust away. So it comes with our machine. And later we have a sample, like I show you guys. We have 10 of this crystal. We also can like customize different size or shape, different crystals for you guys. And we have our position sensor, printed manual. Right here we have, this is the USB back for the 3 key USB. And we have the switch here. It comes with machine. So this is the components which come with the machine. So well, we have a little bit surprise for you guys. So like I'm not sure if you guys can remember. I showed you guys before with crystal without one of colleagues. Now I will invite our colleagues to show you guys. So how does it look like in our crystal square? So can I have the crystal here so I can? Thank you. So this is the crystal. So it has. So it's one of her colleagues, and it happens that she's at our, she's here right now. And then, okay, firstly, you can take a good look on this 3D dimensional human portrait. So this is done by our 3D crystal laser engraving machine. And now I will welcome our so colleagues right here to see, let you guys see the differences like between the 3D dimensional human portrait with real person like person in flesh. So let's welcome her. I'm gonna hold this right here. As you can see, hi. Hello. Hi. It looks so pretty. So as you can see, so this is our colleagues, and this is our 3D dimensional human portrait. You see, it looks exactly the same. I'm gonna need this. Thank you. As you can see, it's like basically the same. It's right here. So this is made by our 3D crystal laser engraving machine as well. It's basically the same, right? So like from this right here, you can use our 3D camera. So let's say we have the person right here, and we're gonna make a 3D dimensional human portrait. You can use our 3D camera right here. Take a picture of her. Then using our software to transfer to make the data on the software, and then voila, you can make this one right here. Look at the comparison, like it's basically looks the same, huh? And yeah, this is how our machine does. So thank you, thank you for joining us. Thanks. And yeah, this is the our perfect 3D crystal laser engraving machine. How does it work? I show you guys how our professional engineer, how he done this job, and see the crystal with our colleagues, the real person with the 3D dimensional portrait. And now I'm gonna invite him, our engineer, to show you guys. This is the brand new crystal square one. We're gonna make a different patterns on it. So you have to put in the right position on the left of the platform. So we're going to choose a pattern. So we're going to open this 2D to 3D. So what I'm going to show you guys right we're going to transfer 2D to 3D. So this is our software, and then we're going to select the profile. So this person just showed in front of the camera. So this is the picture, right? This is the 2D. We're going to select the mode. So we have different types. We got Japanese or cat or European, Asia. So we're going to select woman right here. So for this patterns, for this portrait, we have approximately 80 selections. So choose the one with the long hair and is similar to this person. Let's take the middle one, for example. This one looks exactly like her, long hair, and we're gonna select this one. And then, as you can see, we have different dots right here. So from here is 1 to 17. So what you're gonna do right now is you're gonna press this one, select a point, and just compare to this one. Press it to make the dots. So different dots have different numbers. So we're gonna make 1 to 6 dots right here. 1 to 6, 7, 8. Just very easy. Just compare to this one and select it. Different numbers. 16. Yeah, as you can see, it's number 16 dots, and this is number 16 dots. And then this is how you select 2D to 3D. Then we're gonna open. We're gonna select the profile, which is edit of this one. This is how it gonna looks like from inside the crystal. So this is the front side. This is the top. This is the top view, and this is the side view. So this is different sides of the crystal. We're gonna also set the different parameters, data. Once it's done, press OK, and then press this one, and it's good to go. Yeah. So it only takes a few minutes as well. As you can see, our colleagues' pictures right here. Before this, we have to open 2D to 3D software, select the dots from 1 to 17. I don't know if you guys can remember. Then all the dots are done. You can select the profile and choose this one, and then set different parameters as well. Then when the data parameters is good to go, select OK, then let the machine does its work. So now it's gonna engrave dots inside the crystal and to form these beautiful persons right here. So let's say if you at wedding, if you're at wedding photography or shopping mall, you can use our machine to make a human portrait. Depends on your requirements. So I've shown you guys before the components come with the machine. So it's very easy and to operate. And the whole process you can observe from this distance. You can take a look very closely through the panel. So this panel it can protect. It's imported from the United States. It can protect your eyes from the laser. Looks like it's almost done. And we have different fans, exhaust fan on both sides and on the top as well. This brand right here is Philips. And here you can plug in your own USB if you have to engrave different patterns from your design. You got mouse here, keyboard, and to make sure before the machine works, you have to warm it up for 2 to 3 minutes. And from the back, we have like different cables and lines connected to the monitor, computer with the machine, and then connect the machine with electricity. Yeah. And then during the operation, this comes with our huge flat case, so you don't have to worry about the damage or anything. So like if you guys transfer like overseas, we have a huge flat case. We also have the foam inside of it. Oh, the work is done. So let's see how the person looks like in crystal. He's gonna take it out. And voila, this is what it looks like. Thank you. As you can see here, the human portrait right here is a 3D, it's very vivid. That's the front side. Then move on to the left side. And then the back side. And at the top, it's like very vivid. It's at the bottom. It's very like vivid portrait, three-dimensional.
Yeah, from a different angle.
It's just amazing, like to see how the work is done.
Yeah, just like you see the real person
Mm-hmm.
and from different angle.
Yeah, and it only takes like a few minutes, so it has very high working efficiency. So you can like use it in a shopping mall if someone wants to like make his or her portrait in 3D dimensional. You can just like use this. So this machine is perfect for you. So yeah, that's how it looks.
Yeah.
And I take this away. So for, like I said before, for the whole machine, we have our flat case to like protect the whole machine, so you don't have to worry about the damage. So I don't know if you guys can see it. We have a like the huge flat case right here. It's almost the same height as me. So this one, you can put the whole, so we install and everything is good for this machine, and we gonna take this machine and put this in a flat case right here. So to make sure during the whole operation, the machine is well protected, and it has like inside, foam inside, so it can work as a cushion during the transportation. So yeah, it's come with the machine as well, so you don't have to work the damage. So I'm gonna open this one, so I'm gonna ask a little help. So Mr. Wu is gonna help lift it up. So as you can see, whoa. As you can see, it has the like the foam stick to the case, and it has very giant area, and it has big giant foam on the bottom as well. So you don't have to, close it. So you don't have to worry about like during the whole shipment or during the, it causes no damage for our machine. So yeah, this is the whole production of our 3D crystal laser engraving machine. As you can see, guys, you must be very clear about our this machine right here. So let's welcome our beautiful host, Aria. So she's going to join us again. Welcome, Aria.
Hey guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for the detailed introduction and the engineers showing about how to perform our machine. It's really awesome, right? The process, the whole process.
Yeah.
And the sample that our machine just engraved is so exquisite and
It's
vivid.
beautiful.
Yeah,
I like the
totally.
smell.
Yeah.
I'm still wearing it.
It's really a nice machine that you
Yeah,
can
it is.
engrave so many 2D or 3D patterns instead of the glass, the glass, the crystal, and other transparent materials. and it also can engrave the 2D or 3D name footprint and the trophy, the souvenir, and the medals, right? And other some personalizable gifts. This is really awesome. And what's more, by adding an optional 3D camera, then you can even engrave a human portrait image.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what's more, our company also have special design and customizability. So if you have any 3D crystal laser engraving requirements, don't hesitate to contact us. Please send us your design, and we can make free sample for you. Okay, now I got some questions from the customers recently. Would you please answer first?
Yeah, of course.
So here we go. The first question is, what materials can be engraved by the 3D crystal laser engraving machine?
Well, the materials is suitable for crystal and glass, acrylic materials, decorating materials, and other transparent materials as well.
Yeah, and the number 2 question is, what shapes of the crystal can be engraved?
As long as the crystal, it can be placed on the engraving platform. Steadily, any shape is okay. The round shape, like I showed before, crystal ball, or the it can holding by fixture. Yeah.
And the number 3 question is, what's the engraving area of this machine?
Well, the biggest working area of our machine is 450 by 450 millimeters. But other manufacturers is only like 400 or 300 millimeters. We have a larger working area than other supplies.
Wow, that's really awesome.
Yeah.
Number 4 question is, what the engraving speed of this machine?
Well, it has very high speed. It only takes like 1 to 2 minutes for engraving a crystal. Let's say with 50 by 50 by 80 size. It is suitable for tourist resorts and the non-touches engraving process to ensure the surface of the crystalline lens keeps its original shape and quality.
And number 5 question is, what the machine's volume?
Well, as you can hear, our machine has very low volume.
Yeah.
Machine is just 1 cubic meter, so it's suitable for putting tourists or like shopping mall.
Totally. It's barely have no sound, right?
Yeah.
And the next question is, how does this machine convert the 2D pictures into 3D pictures for the engraving?
Well, there are 2 methods I can show you. The first is to shoot directly with our 3D camera. The second is to use our software, 2D to 3D, that comes with the machine to make 2D graphics into 3D graphics.
And the number 7 question is, what designs does the 2D to 3D software that support?
Well, 2D to 3D software supports both human portraits, flower patterns, in addition, it also supports 3 animal patterns, including a cat, dog, and horse, as the software has these patterns inside. It has very high resolution. The pattern of the engraving is exquisite, crystal clear, and has very strong 3D sense.
Well, that's lovely.
Yeah.
And the next question is, can you engrave human portrait image?
Of course, like just by any other 3D camera, it can engrave real person, not a picture, not cartoon, to form a 3D human portrait image.
Yeah.
So it is suitable for keeping a good memory for your families or your lovers or your customers.
Totally. And number 9 question is, how do you ensure this machine's quality? You know, it's so important question.
So from parts to the whole machine are joined and designed by perfect laser professional engineers. We also have the ability to design the machine for special needs of our customers. Our capability of research and development is more excitement than other manufacturers. Yeah, we have our professional team. So during the production process of each machine, our engineers will follow up and check to make sure every part of each process to make sure the quality of our machine. Yeah, that's the quality. After production finish, we will carry out like 48 hours of uninterrupted working tests and 72 hours of aging tests to make sure that you can receive the machine with perfect quality. And it is a gift and also a surprise for you. Yeah.
And the next question is, what's the difference between your machine and other suppliers?
Well, our machine is different with other suppliers in the market based on a lot of different elements. For example, for location, Wuhan is the optical village of China. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. So with the most high technology level in the laser field. And Wuhan is one of the biggest city in China. So it's basically the same level as Beijing or Shanghai. Well, other suppliers are in like second level city, but Wuhan is the biggest city. And for the technology, we have the most advanced laser technology. Like we can produce 1,000 watts laser machine. But however, other suppliers produce only small power laser machine. Yeah. And for the company level, our perfect laser have more than 20 years experiences in laser production field. All the parts we use is world famous brand, and we also have a professional team and more than 100 workers. However, other companies just like have few years of history. Well, I believe you won't buy the machine from a new company which only has like 1 to 3 person, right? So they have the suppliers, they have no support like for you in the future. So our company is very reliable.
Yeah, our company definitely will make you satisfied.
Of course.
Our machine or our customer services. Right?
Yeah, of course. And for the machine quality you guys are most curious about, we are in laser production field for more than 20 years till now. We're very professional, in 3D laser engraving field. So every part of our machine are used of the top brand in the world. We can make sure the quality based on so many producing experiences. And moreover, we have our professional engineer who can support you with full solutions for 3D laser engraving operation and troubleshooting. Because our aim is to cooperate with our customer in a long-term base, not just for one order. So you don't have to worry about it. Totally.
And the next question is, how about the warranty,
Well, normally our warranty time is 12 months. If you guys are a regular customer, you will know. But in our live stream today, we can prolong it into 24 months, which is 1 more year. And it's really good chance to buy it.
Such a longer time about warranty, right?
Yeah.
So you really have no worry to buy from us.
No worry at all.
And the next question is, how long is the lead time?
Well, the lead time is approximately 10 to 15 days.
And what's the payment method that your company can pay?
Well, the payment method, we accept the bank, wire transfer, or PayPal, Western Union, credit card, Alibaba Trade Insurance, or any payment you can choose, which whatever is suitable for you.
Yeah, at your convenience.
Yeah,
And
it's
the
very
14th
convenient.
question is, what's the after-sales service?
Well, the after sales service, we are responsible for offering the free parts for replacing during the guarantee period. So we have our very professional engineers, and we can also support you with full solution for both operation and troubleshooting. And it's very trustful.
And the 15th question is, what about the packing?
Well, the package, like I showed you guys before, we have the giant flight case. They're like 20 millimeter thickness foam inside to protect the machine. Our package is considered all the damage factors and to make sure to be very safe And our shipping agents have abundant experiences in transportation. And our products have been exported over 180 countries from worldwide. So don't worry about it. You will receive the machine in a very, very good condition.
Yeah. So, and our suitcase is so reliable one, right? And the last question is it easy for installation and run the machine?
Well, it's very easy because our technician have installed the software and the machine well before the shipping. We also send our training VCD and uses manuals along with the machine, so you can very easy to operate. And basically 99% of our customers can learn by themselves. Even I can learn by myself. The machine has no consumables, so totally free of maintenance. If you met with any operation problems, please reach out to us, contact us. We will respond within 2 hours as quickly as we can. And we have full confidence that you will like our machine and our service.
Yeah.
Perfect Laser deserve your trust.
Totally.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the detailed answer for our viewers. It's really helpful. And I believe after your introduction and your answer to the question, our customer must have interest to buy a unit to start their own business or right? And as you can see, our machine has got so many certificates, right? Such as the CE certificate and the Euro certificate.
It's right here.
As you can see here, we got the CE. And also we got the Euro certificate.
So we are very qualified for this field. So don't worry about our quality of our machine.
Yeah, so it means our company have the ability to comply with the European standards, so it's really safe to buy from us.
Yep.
And we also got a Golden Plus supplier certificate that's certified by the SGS company. So cool. So you really have no worry to buy from us, and we assure you will get which one here and with the best quality of our machine, right?
Yeah.
And today, in order to thanks for watching and to celebrate the March Shopping Festival, we prepare lots of coupons and gifts and the promotion policy special for you. And as you can see here in our lecture room, you can see we got the product listed in the lecture room page, and you can get the coupons directly in your lecture room, and you can use it directly when you place the order during this month. And if you're not in your lecture room right now, you can screenshot our video to show you how to attend our live show, and you can send it to our sales representative to show you how to attend our live show.
So you can get the coupons, right?
Yes, and you can use it directly when you place the order during this month. And let's see the coupons that you can enjoy.
So we got here.
First, if you place an order over $1,000, you will get coupons of $20. And if you place an order over $2,000, you will get coupons of $30. And here we go, we have more big discount here. Place an order over $3,000, you'll get coupons of $15. And the even more bigger discounts. Place an order over $7,000, you will get coupons of $100. It's so exciting, right?
Yeah, it's a really good deal.
Yeah, so I hope you can capture this chance and buy it right now, right? And we have the second surprise for you.
We have second surprise?
Yeah, about the warranty time.
Oh yeah.
Normally our warranty time is just 12 months, but guess what? If you place an order during this month, we will upgrade your warranty time to 24 months. As our beautiful sales engineer just said, we will assure you have no worry about the warranty time. And what's more, we prepare 100 set of tableware as gifts. They're very beautiful, blue and white porcelain, right? And
Let's see what's inside.
yes, let me show you guys.
Right here we got beautiful different sets of
Yeah.
tableware.
Tableware with blue and white porcelain and have beautiful flower pattern, the Chinese characteristic on it. And I believe that definitely will create a wonderful dinner time for you and your family when you use this kind of exquisite tableware, right?
Yeah.
And we will send it to whom participate in our live show and place the order during this month. So excited, right?
Yeah.
And to enjoy all these gifts, those coupons, and the warranty time, I need you to do a screenshot with us, and we will give you 10 seconds to do the screenshot.
You guys ready? 10
Yeah.
seconds.
Let's do
Count
that.
together.
Yeah. Here we go.
So
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys already got the screenshots, and please send it to our sales representative. Be sure to have attend the live show and get the extra coupons and use it directly when you place the order during this month.
You can save you a lot of money.
Yeah. Time flies so fast. Our live show now is drawing to the end, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your watching and your time with us. And I believe now we must get an understanding about the machine and how to choose the resin model on your own needs with us through our live show. And if you like our machine, please don't hesitate to contact us, right? And chat online or send an inquiry to us. And also welcome to our website to see more video and the introduction about our machine. And if you like our live show, please subscribe us by clicking the following button in our live showroom page here. So you can find us easily next time, right?
Yeah.
And we assure you will get what you want in perfect laser. And thank you so much for your time and you're watching with us again. And it's really time to say goodbye. Perfect Laser is ready to be your best partner from now and forever. And waiting for your order